Welcome to the June Monthly App Challenge, brought to you by Applied Computing Foundation, also known as ACF. In this challenge, you'll be making a calendar application with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This calendar will help you keep organized with your summer and future activities and tasks. Here's a small demo of the app being used. With this web app, you will be eligible for 4 different prizes ranging from $25 to $50. To possibly win these prizes, your app should meet some criteria. Firstly, the app should be creative since there are many calendar apps out there. Some ideas to make your app appeal to the judges is to have changing colors and fonts for each month, events that you can add to your calendar, and a place to add images. In addition, the app also needs to be effective and thoughtfully designed. For more information, please visit the ACF website at the top link and submit your work at the bottom link. Remember to submit before the month ends, and we're looking forward to seeing your amazing submissions.